So on this tutorial, you learn how to download and install the latest version of Python on your Windows 11. So the same steps applies to Windows 10 as well. So let's begin the process. First, open your preferred browser. I'll be using Chrome and search Python. Press enter. Click on the first link, python.org. After here, highlight downloads and click Python 3.14.0. So this is the current version at the moment. So click and wait for the file to be downloaded. So it's complete. Right click and click open to begin the installation process. So let's minimize. So click use admin privileges when installing, as well as to add Python to path, and click customize installation. So here we have optional features including pip, which is a standard package manager for Python, as well as the IDLE. So leave them the way they are and click next. So here we have advanced options. Click install Python 3.14 for all users. So the Python will be installed in this location, but if you want to change the directory, click browse and choose the directory of your choice. So click install, click yes. So the setup was successful. You can close. So let's verify the installation. Come to the search bar, type cmd, command prompt, and press enter. So here, type python space -- version and press enter. And you can see that we have downloaded the current version, Python 3.14.0. So let's write our first program using the IDLE. So remember, it was among the advanced features. So I'll type IDLE. I'll open. So let's write our first Python program using the print method. So print, open quotations. I'll print my name, Edwin, and press enter. And you can see that our Python program is running on smoothly. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from WebPro Education.